You can ask me anything. What? What do you have to ask me?
Do you love someone?
Yes, I love someone.
No, you don't.
I love...
Lindsay Lohan.
I don't love Lindsay Lohan. I love my friends.
Okay, who do you like?
Like...
Yeah.
Boy?
Well, everyone.
No, I don't like no
anyone.
boys. I only love Reggie Bush. So Reggie Bush, if you're watching this, I have to tell you so much that I love you, Reggie Bush. And I love my home skillet. I love Ronald and Bigornia, Jolly and Masai. I love you, Jisha. I love Taj. I love Taj. I love my brother. I love the home skillet that's willing to do everything for me. Any more questions?
Yeah, whatever. Who was the last person that you kissed?
The last person I kissed was... Hold on.
Oh yeah, once again,
The last person I kissed. The last person I kissed was Taj.
Say hi, Tom.
How's everybody doing?
Say I love you.
Good.
Bye. Say I love you, Auntie Kimmy. Bye.